Well, there is the iconic Jefferson / Market East Station mosaic right there. Where I'm zooming in, there is the train I just got off of. We're at track 1, section B. There's the outbound side of the mosaic right there. Very colorful. There comes another train right there. And we are going to ride the tracks 1 and 2 elevator to 12th and Filbert Street, I believe. There comes the train I just got off of. Heading towards Temple. I've always wondered what it's like to ride to ride out of the step onto that side, but just wait until the crime rate dies down. Here it is. Here it is. Let me dig for my key card. That beep was my phone. There it goes. And let's go up. There it goes. Hopefully it's not as slow as it was last time. Oh yeah, here it is.
Going up.
Oh, that works. Let's see if S is still locked. Oh, S works now. Get a cat view. Wow, they redid it. Go back down to P. Wow. That still doesn't light up. Oh, I like how they redid it here. This is actually 10th Street. Let's go back down to P. And C2. Whoa. Big jolt. There's a look at the concourse.
Going down.
Really like that artwork. Whoa, now starts with a big jolt. Other than that, it's pretty decent. We're gonna look out the window. Hope there's no one here. Good.
Platform level.
We're gonna go
Going
to
up.
C and S. There's the platform.
Level. Going up.
Here we are at S.
Street level.
Now we're gonna
Going
try
down.
and get a full ride in looking through the window, both going up and down. Big jolt. Back up to S.
Platform level. Going up. Going down.
Now we're gonna go to C and send it to P from there. Here we are at C.
Concourse level. Going down.
Down still lights up. Actually, let's see if up works now. There it goes. Wow, you can sort of see into the shaft there. If up doesn't light up, I'll get the chime for down. Here it comes. Nope.
Going up.
Let's send it back down to P so I can get the lantern for. Oh. I'll call it back up. Let me just call it back up. Here it comes.